In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Buick Encore. It's located on the passenger side behind your glove box. Right in here, we're going to disconnect this by pushing it towards the glove box and releasing it from the area. And now we're going to take our hands, push in on this. You're going to push in on these two sides, and when you do that, it's going to release the glove box so you can drop it down. You're going to push these two tabs in and lift the door. Before taking this out, make sure you make a mental note of how the air filter should be in there. There's arrows that show it pointing down for proper airflow. So now when we take this out, there's going to be it looks like there's a lot of debris in there. All right, so we're taking this out. Obviously, there's some sort of a nest in here. I'm going to put that in the trash. I have a trash barrel right in front of it. There's some leaves. And it's a good time to inspect your blower motor. Make sure there's nothing keeping it from spinning. Everything looks pretty clear, surprisingly. I thought there was going to be more in there. So now I have a rag here, and I'm just going to scoop everything up and put it right in the trash. Now we're going to install our new air filter. I'm looking for the arrows, like there. We're going to insert it like that, the same way it came out. Now we're going to close our door, making sure it snaps in place. Those two tabs. It will make a click sound. We're going to extend this up and hook it in. Make sure it's locked in good. And now we're going to push this up. And it should just lock into place. And you can put whatever was in there back in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.